Hey guys, I decided to do a review on the Senreve Carte Folio 7 card holder since there aren't that many out there. So it comes in a nice little dust bag. I'm using my Aria as a stand. So this one is in the Dolce leather in lilac and storm on the color blocked part. The gray part is pebbled leather and the rest is in Dolce leather. The Dolce and pebbled leather ones retail for $145 US, and the dragon leather ones, which is the croc looking leather, are $175. It says Senreve on the front in silver letters, made in Italy on the back. It's got 3 slots on the front, 3 on the back, and 1 in the middle, and the inside has this smooth polyester-ish type lining on each slot, which helps to take the cards out more easily. I've had this for about 5 months. I really like it. I use it almost every weekend. So far it's held up really well. All the stitching is still intact. It does not get dirty easily despite the light color. No issue with the glazing. Everything still looks good. I filled it with 7 cards so you can see what it looks like when it's full. Cards are not hard to take out. It helps if you squeeze the ends. The main reason why I bought this card holder is because it holds 7 cards. Most card holders only come with 5 slots, and that's not enough for me. I highly recommend this if you need a card holder that has more than 5 slots. It also makes a great gift that won't break the bank. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.